Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cuisine. But only recently have scientists begun to uncover the incredible health benefits this superfood provides. From weight loss to brain power, ginger can transform your health in amazing ways when consumed daily. Keep reading to find out how. Ginger is a flowering plant originally from Asia that has been valued for thousands of years for its unique flavor, aroma, and medicinal properties. The root or rhizome of the ginger plant is commonly used as a spice and flavoring agent, but it also contains a powerful blend of nutrients and bioactive compounds that offer a multitude of health benefits. In particular, ginger contains gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research has linked ginger and its components to improved digestion, blood sugar control, immunity, brain function, and more. While ginger has long been used in folk medicine, modern science is now backing up many of its purported benefits. Consuming ginger daily, whether raw, cooked, or as a supplement, may help prevent chronic disease, improve cognition, aid weight loss efforts, reduce pain and inflammation, and more. Here is an in-depth look at exactly what happens when you eat ginger every day. It soothes indigestion and aids digestion. If you often suffer from gastrointestinal issues like gas, bloating, cramping, or indigestion, ginger can provide relief. The phenolic compounds in ginger activate digestive enzymes and acids to smoothly move food through the GI tract. Ginger also relaxes the smooth muscle in the colon to reduce cramping and bloating while reducing excess gas. In one study, taking just 1 gram of ginger powder daily significantly reduced tummy troubles and improved digestion efficiency. The anti-inflammatory nature of ginger also calms an upset stomach. Consuming ginger regularly ensures your digestive system functions optimally so you get nutrients absorbed efficiently without uncomfortable symptoms. It boosts immunity and fights infections. Ginger's antimicrobial, antiviral, and antioxidant properties make it highly beneficial for boosting immunity and combating germs and infections. Gingerol, shogol, and zingerone, bioactive compounds in ginger, exhibit antibacterial effects against oral bacteria linked to gingivitis and periodontitis. Ginger also may kill the respiratory syncytial virus, a common cause of respiratory infections. Taking just 5 grams of ginger daily may reduce the risk of developing a cold, flu, or other illness. Ginger's anti-inflammatory abilities also reduce inflammation associated with infections and autoimmune conditions. Its immune-boosting powers mean eating ginger every day helps keep you healthy year-round. It lowers blood sugar levels and improves diabetes. Ginger is an excellent choice for those with diabetes or prediabetes due to its natural blood sugar-lowering effects. The gingerols increase insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake by muscles and fat cells. One study found taking 2 grams of ginger powder per day significantly lowered fasting blood sugar and long-term blood sugar levels. Ginger also may reduce A1C levels, a critical marker of long-term blood sugar control in diabetes. Ginger acts as an anti-diabetic and hypoglycemic agent, making it highly useful for managing type 2 diabetes when consumed regularly. Taking ginger capsules, tea, or food with raw ginger daily helps maintain healthy blood sugar for diabetics. It protects brain function and may prevent dementia. As one of the most antioxidant-rich herbs, ginger uniquely supports brain health and improves cognition. The anti-inflammatory compounds found in high amounts of ginger protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, primary drivers of neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and dementia. Ginger extract has been shown to inhibit certain inflammatory enzymes that lead to cognitive decline. Consuming just 1 gram of ginger daily led to improved working memory, reaction time, and attention span in middle-aged women in one study. Adding ginger to your diet may prevent cognitive decline while enhancing focus and memory retention. It reduces pain and inflammation. Chronic inflammation contributes to nearly every modern disease, including cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Ginger naturally suppresses inflammation through inhibition of pro-inflammatory enzymes like COX-2. Gingerol and other antioxidant compounds found abundantly in ginger prevent cellular damage from occurring due to chronic inflammation. Through these anti-inflammatory effects, ginger reduces pain associated with arthritis, headaches, and muscle soreness. Many studies confirm ginger's pain-killing effects for headaches and various types of arthritis. Consuming ginger every day provides natural pain relief by lowering systemic inflammation that often leads to painful conditions. It may inhibit cancer growth and prevent cancer. Emerging research shows ginger's antioxidants, particularly 6-Shogal, suppress the growth and spread of certain cancer cells, including breast, pancreatic, ovarian, prostate, and colon cancers. Ginger compounds promote apoptosis, automatic cell death, within tumors while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Population studies show that regular ginger consumption is associated with lower rates of certain cancers. While more research is needed, adding ginger to your diet may support cancer preventive effects along with standard cancer treatments to inhibit tumor progression and lower the risk of relapse. It promotes heart health and lowers blood pressure. Ginger root is loaded with nutrients that support heart health, including vitamin B6, vitamin C, minerals like magnesium and potassium, and antioxidants. Through its anti-inflammatory effects, ginger helps keep arteries clear and improves circulation, which lowers high blood pressure. Ginger also thins the blood to prevent clot formation that may lead to heart attacks and strokes. In one study, daily ginger supplementation reduced bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol. Its antioxidant content further prevents oxidative damage that may lead to atherosclerosis. Consuming ginger regularly keeps your heart healthy and your blood pressure in check. It aids weight loss and burns belly fat. Adding ginger to your weight loss plan may significantly help shed stubborn pounds and body fat. Ginger increases thermogenesis, your body's internal temperature, to burn more calories. It also suppresses appetite by increasing fullness hormones like CCK while reducing hunger hormones. Ginger's ability to boost metabolism while reducing appetite promotes effective, healthy weight loss. Drinking ginger tea or taking ginger capsules daily may help you lose weight fast, especially belly fat. One study found that overweight men who took ginger supplements daily for 12 weeks lost more weight and had a greater reduction in waist size compared to placebo. It relieves nausea and vomiting. Ginger has long been used as a traditional remedy for motion sickness, morning sickness, and seasickness. Ginger oil or ginger supplements may quickly relieve nausea and vomiting related to pregnancy, chemotherapy, or motion issues. Compounds like Shogals and gingerols relieve nausea likely by interacting with serotonin receptors and reducing excess stomach acid. Consuming ginger capsules, tea, or candied ginger whenever nausea strikes provides fast relief by soothing the stomach rapidly. It may slow aging and promote longevity. As one of the most potent antioxidant foods on Earth, ginger fights free radicals that accelerate the aging of cells and tissues. Through regular consumption, ginger may slow aging, reduce DNA damage, and promote longevity. In studies on rats, ginger extended its lifespan by nearly 10%. Ginger's compounds also prevent age-related declines in brain function, muscle mass, and protein synthesis. The powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of ginger support youthfulness as you age. Eating ginger daily can help maintain vitality, cognitive function, muscle strength, and quality of life as you get older. Adding ginger to your everyday diet can provide incredible benefits ranging from improved digestion and immunity to reduced inflammation and pain to enhanced cognitive function. Consuming just 1 to 2 grams of raw or supplemental ginger per day may drastically improve well-being, protect against chronic disease, and allow you to live healthier and longer. Ginger's medicinal properties offer therapeutic potential, while its unique flavor and versatility make it easy to reap its health perks. Consider integrating fresh ginger root, ginger tea, ginger juice, or ginger supplements into your routine. Let ginger's immense health benefits and superfood powers boost your quality of life.